Rental cars don't typically bring to mind rare, limited edition muscle cars. But then again, Hertz isn't your average rental company. Known for making a splash in the automotive world, Hertz has partnered with car makers over the years to create some truly unique, special edition vehicles. Among the most notable collaborations is the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro SS, created in partnership with Hendrick Motorsports. This Camaro is part of an exclusive run of just 200 units, and it's about to hit the auction block, making it a rare find for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts. One of the most intriguing aspects of this specific Camaro SS is its history. Unlike the majority of the limited edition cars that were rented out to customers through Hertz's network of airport locations, this particular example was never rented. It remained tucked away, preserved in near-mint condition with just 37 miles on the odometer. That's right, this Camaro has barely been driven, which is a massive selling point. Anyone who has rented a car knows the toll it can take, so a low-mileage example like this one is truly a gem. This rare muscle car will be auctioned at Mecum Auctions Indy 2025 event in Indianapolis on May 15, 2025. Mecum has confirmed that this car is number 198 of the 200 units produced, and given its pristine condition, it's expected to attract significant attention from bidders. With only 37 miles on the clock, this Camaro is practically brand new, a true testament to the care its owner has taken in preserving it. Now, let's talk about what makes this Camaro SS so special. For starters, the car's eye-catching black body with contrasting yellow accents and stripes immediately sets it apart. The 20-inch satin black wheels, yellow brake calipers, and illuminated door sill plates give it an aggressive yet refined appearance. You'll also find a new front splitter and Hertz fender badges that highlight its limited edition status, while the interior features black leather upholstery that adds a touch of luxury to the performance-focused vehicle. Under the hood, the Hertz Chevrolet Camaro SS packs a punch. It's powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 480 horsepower, which is a 25 horsepower increase over the standard Camaro SS. This upgrade includes a cold air intake, a catback dual exhaust system, and a strut tower brace, all designed to boost performance. The result is a car that's not only visually stunning, but also capable of delivering serious performance on the road. While the 2020 Camaro SS is impressive, it's worth noting that there was an even rarer version produced. Out of the 200 Camaros, just 24 were based on the flagship ZL1 model and featured a larger Callaway supercharger. These 24 ZL1 base cars cranked out 750 horsepower, making them a true performance powerhouse. Unfortunately, if you were hoping to snag one of these ZL1 versions, you'll have to keep an eye out elsewhere, as they are incredibly rare and hardly ever seen for sale. As for the auction-bound Camaro SS, its expected value will likely be influenced by its rarity and immaculate condition. Limited edition vehicles, especially those with low mileage and a strong history, tend to command high prices at auction. While it's hard to predict the exact auction price, similar vehicles have been known to fetch impressive bids in the past. Whether you're a Camaro enthusiast, a collector of rare muscle cars, or simply someone looking for an exclusive piece of automotive history, this never-ended Hertz Camaro SS is an opportunity not to be missed. With only 37 miles, standout performance features, and the iconic Hertz livery, this Camaro is a true collector's dream. As it heads to Mecum Auctions in May 2025, you can be sure that there will be plenty of interest from bidders looking to add a unique muscle car to their collection.